Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Love wearing your Apple Watch, but always nervous about damaging it somehow? The new 3D Impact Screen Protector by the folks at RhinoShield may be just the thing for you. Designed to work with their CrashGuard NX Apple Watch case, the 3D Impact Screen Protector provides edge-to-edge coverage and is designed to resist 3 times the impact energy of your unprotected screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the screen protector and show you how it works with the CrashGuard NX Apple Watch case. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we've got a stabilization pad for you to place your watch in during installation. We've got the installer, we've got the screen protector itself, and then we've got an installation kit which should contain a microfiber cloth and some dust removal stickers. As always, dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector install, so be sure to work in a well-lit area that is as clean and dust-free as possible. And above all, be sure to take your time. So looking inside our little installation kit, not only do we have our microfiber cloth and our dust removal stickers, we also have a bonus item. We have a little squeegee for removal of bubbles. To start off with, remove your watch band and any case you might have on your Apple Watch and place it down on your stabilization pad. Next, you want to use the included microfiber cloth in order to clean your watch's screen. Now, if your watch happens to be extremely dirty, I would advise cleaning it with something else first and then polishing it off with your microfiber cloth. I used a damp cloth on mine because I had a lot of little bits of crud that were encrusted on it, so I definitely wanted to get those out of the way first before I used my microfiber cloth, but now it's already almost perfectly clean, so I'm just going to use the microfiber cloth to polish off any last smears or anything like that. And then I'm going to use one of the dust removal stickers to get rid of any remaining dust. Next, take your installation tool and place it down on top of your watch. Note that we do have a top and a bottom to this. This is the top, this is the spot here for your digital crown, etc. So take it and gently place it down over the top of your watch. Kind of snap it down in place. Next, you're going to want to remove the plastic on the back of the screen protector in order to expose the adhesive side, and then place it very, very gently down on top of your install tool. So you don't want to press it down at this point. You can see here there are these little spots here on the side. Those are essentially your guides to getting it so that it's exactly in place, but you're going to put it in between these guides, lay it there very gently, don't press down. And then when you actually have the whole thing perfectly in place, then you're going to press down with your finger in the middle here, and then with your other hand lift off the install tool. So now you see we have kind of a partial installation here. Now we need to smooth out the bubbles. To do that, you're going to use your squeegee. Wrap it in the microfiber cloth and then start here from the middle, and then use it to go from middle to bottom gently, and then middle to the other side and the bottom, and then do the same thing at the top, and basically just push out the bubble. You want to be gentle with this. This screen protector is great against impact, not so great against scratches. It's delicate, so you have to be careful with this step. So as you can see, I think we've got a really great result here. This has almost edge-to-edge protection, and it looks pretty much the same as your regular Apple Watch screen. I did have a few little resistant bubbles left over. It took me a few more minutes to remove them using the squeegee wrapped in the microfiber cloth. I tried just rubbing at them with my fingers, but that was not quite enough. I think that the squeegee with the microfiber cloth actually did a remarkably good job. And as you can see, because of the installer, we do have a perfect alignment on here. In terms of optical clarity, everything looks great. This feels very smooth underneath the fingertips, at least at this point. You've got a very good oleophobic coating, and I think that this is unquestionably an addition to my Apple Watch. So looking here at our 3D Impact Screen Protector, after being on my watch for 3 weeks, I have to say, I've been really happy to have it on here. I got busy after I installed the screen protector and didn't finish this review, so here I am finishing it up, but I think things are looking great. I haven't noticed any problems at all in terms of usability. I think that it's still extremely responsive, looks great. I haven't noticed it getting any scratches or anything like that. If you look extremely close around the edges, you can see where a little bit of dust has gathered at the edges, just like you'll see with screen protectors on phones, but it's pretty slight. There's no issue whatsoever with anything with the digital crown, obviously, because it's not touching it. We have an excellent oleophobic coating on here. Everything's clear and bright, and as I said, very responsive, no problems. The only problem that I have noticed is that in certain apps, you can see a tiny bit of your viewable area is covered up by the black rim that runs around the edge of the 3D Impact screen protector. You can see it here where the M in move is very slightly covered. If I move up, you can see that it's not covered up, but I really only noticed it in a few apps. It's not a big deal. Overall, really impressed with how everything looks here. And I love the fact that I'm getting that greater amount of protection for my Apple Watch. As I mentioned before, the 3D Impact Screen Protector is designed to be compatible with RhinoShield's CrashGuard NX case for Apple Watch. The CrashGuard NX is one of my favorite RhinoShield products. I used it first on my Series 2 Apple Watch, and now I'm using one on my Series 5 Apple Watch, and I think it is such an addition to the Apple Watch ecosystem. It's just a great product. This is going to give you military standard drop protection, and it comes in tons of colors, very thin and lightweight, and it's just fun to use. So basically what we're looking at here is a very lightweight case for your Apple Watch. It's made of a specialized polymer that RhinoShield developed called Shock Spread. It's the same polymer that they use in their phone cases. This is a two-piece case. We have this little thing called the rim here, which detaches from the rest of the case. Makes installation a lot easier, and it also is fun because it allows you to mix and match colors of this rim, so you can have a different color rim than the case for the Apple Watch. Overall, just a really cool product, and it's BPA, BPS, BPF free, so you don't have to worry about nasty chemicals leaching into your wrist while you're wearing your watch all day long. So in order to install this on your Apple Watch, you need to remove your straps. And then what you need to do is slide it into the left-hand side first, and then to the right hand. Take your rim and put the rim again left-hand side first. Kind of clicks in. Put it in over here, and then over there. Then you just need to put your strap back on. So looking here at our watch with both our 3D Impact Screen Protector and our CrashGuard NX in place, you can see that you do have some additional thickness on here, no question about that. Adds a little bit of bulk, but really not too much. There's no issue here in getting to your digital crown. That's very easy to access. Buttons are all perfect, not a surprise there. RhinoShield's really good with its buttons. I think overall it looks really good. I enjoy having this on my Apple Watch, I really do, because you have protection on the sides and you have this little bit of a rim that runs around protecting your screen. So if it hits this way, it's going to be protected. If you hit it on the side, also going to be protected. And now with the screen protector also in place, I'm feeling really very well protected indeed. Plus, I personally think it's extremely fun to change out the rim colors. So here we've got the same color rim and the same color case. When you're purchasing this, you get to choose one additional rim color for free, or you can buy extra ones as well. So removing this, take that off. Now let's choose something exciting. Let's go with an orange rim here. Again, you want to start on the left-hand side. You click it into place. Just a very pretty look for the watch. So if you wear an orange shirt, for example, you can switch out and wear the orange rim. It's a small thing, but it's just a fun way to brighten up your day. And there are a total of 12 rim colors to choose from. You get one extra contrasting rim color for free, as I said. The others are going to be $1.99 if you buy them bundled with the watch case. Otherwise, they're going to be $2.99 each. And as you see, you don't need to take off the entire watch case in order to change the rim. Changing the rim is extremely easy. You just take one off and then slide the other one on. Looking at our green rim, really great splash of color here, perfect for St. Patrick's Day or whenever you want to wear green. Got a classic blue and yellow here, looks really great. There are just so many options to choose from. Really nice look here in all red. Can go with a nice gray to match the watch band, or with a black rim. A purple case is fun as well. We got a cool purple and yellow, purple and white, purple and royal blue, or with a white case like this, pretty much any color is going to look great. So overall, I think we've got a really great combination of products here from RhinoShield for your Apple Watch. I love the fact that the 3D impact screen protector is going to give you 3x impact protection for your screen, and I think combined with the CrashGuard NX case with its military standard drop protection, that your Apple Watch is going to be very well protected. Plus, it's so fun that you can switch out the rim color to add a splash of color to this case. Overall, just a really great combo, both protective and attractive for your Apple Watch from RhinoShield. Again, we've been looking at the 3D Impact Screen Protector and CrashGuard NX case for Apple Watch. These products are available directly from RhinoShield. The 3D Impact Screen Protector has an MSRP of $14.99. The CrashGuard NX case is also $14.99 and extra rims are $2.99, but you can save $1 per rim and $5 on the screen protector if you bundle them together with the CrashGuard NX. If you're planning to do this, you need to first put the CrashGuard NX in your cart, and then when the special discount screen comes up, add the 3D Impact Screen Protector and the extra rims at that point. Otherwise, you won't get the bundle discount. Also, be sure to use the coupon code in the description below to save 10% on your purchase. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.